Hello, I'm Kadri. Today I'm going to show how to make crispy tostadas in the air fryer or oven. Crispy tostadas are like a crunchy taco that's flat or like an individual nacho. So super fun, really crunchy, and you can load it up with all your favorite toppings. To start, we'll get these soft corn tortillas. If you're going to air fry, put one into the air fryer basket. And you don't want it to fly up into the fan, so you'll put something heavy on top of it to keep it down. Anything that is oven safe will work in an air fryer. So just go ahead and stick that on top of the tortilla, and we'll air fry at 390 degrees for 5 minutes, stopping once halfway through to flip. If instead you'd like to bake the tostadas, then you'll put them on a baking sheet, line them out. This is better for a group. You don't have to spray them with oil, but if you'd like to for a little bit of crispiness, you can do that. I don't really think it needs it. Then you'll bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, stopping once halfway through to flip. All right, now it's done. So now here comes the fun part. We can load it up with toppings. I like to use homemade refried beans, but if you're short on time, canned vegetarian refried beans are also great in a pinch. So go ahead and add a spoonful of that, or two, be generous, and smear it to cover. And then some shredded cabbage mix. You can either shred the cabbage yourself, or you can buy a bag of shredded cabbage mix, which usually has carrots in it and a couple different colors of cabbage. So that's pretty and adds a lot of different color varieties, which are nice. Then a little bit of salsa. Again, you can use homemade, jarred. You could do tomatillo salsa. So lots of options. Top that up. Some pickled red onion. I pickled these myself. They just are always so pretty. They add a lot of tang. If you like spicy heat, add some pickled jalapenos. I do like some spicy heat. Avocado, of course. Go ahead and spoon some of that on. Guacamole is also a good option. And then finally finish with some fresh cilantro. And that's all there is to it. Tostadas are so crunchy, delicious, easy to make, great for a quick lunch or dinner. You can find the complete recipe at kadriskitchen.com.